How to trim video in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to trim the video that you have added, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After that, tap onto this button at the bottom. Select it. Now simply choose one video that you would like to trim. You can also add from here. Tap on the plus button. Then simply add a video just like this. Now to trim this video, tap on the video timeline track right here, just like this. Then scroll to your right or left, like where you would like to trim the video, just like this, and tap on to split. And after that, again, do the same process and tap on to split, just like this. Now simply tap onto this clip and tap on to delete. And now you can see you have trimmed the part of the video. You can also trim by adjusting this arrow, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can trim video into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.